Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage accessibility settings for your TV. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter General. Go to accessibility and now you can enable voice guide, change volume, speed, pitch and TV background volume. Next, you can enable or disable audio description settings, enable subtitles, change subtitle mode, language, primary for subtitle and secondary language for subtitles. Then you can enable sign language zoom settings, learn TV remote,
press a button on the remote control.
you can enter many learning screen, enable picture of function, graphic zoom. You can go to multi-output audio and select speakers, enable hide contrast, enlarge function, enable grayscale, color inversion, and then you can enable or disable show button repeat and change repeat interval time. And that's basically it for accessibility functions on your TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.